Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your WordPress theme. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and simply log into your WordPress account. This is the interface you're going to see. This is my home page, and on the left hand side, you can see the appearance option over here, which has themes and editor. Click on the appearance option and it will directly take you to all the themes available on your WordPress. As you can see, this theme has been activated by me. Now I just have to activate another theme. As you can see over here, just simply click on activate and this theme will be activated automatically. As you can see, this theme has been activated. Now I'm just gonna go back and see that this one has been activated. Now if I want to like change my themes again or update my themes, then I will just simply go to my themes and see what themes I had before. As you can see, this is my previous theme. I can just activate it again just simply by clicking on this activation button, and now this theme has been activated. As you can see over here, this says active over here, but in my themes I have that another theme also that is for free. I can activate it anytime. So that is how you update WordPress themes. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.